Attention! Now boarding the most beautiful future destination. Stay tuned to the true paradise of beaches, historical architecture, regional gastronomy, music, dance and joy from the northeast of Brazil. Welcome to places that already attract year after year millions of tourists from all over the world. And today, they only have air or road routes. Northeast, the most desired tourist destination by Brazilians and one of the most sought after by foreign travelers, is about to take the next leap. An activity that moves millions per year in hotels, inns, restaurants, stores, malls, and so many other activities, generating millions of direct and indirect jobs. The Sun Railroad is coming. A complete railway circuit which will integrate the main regional hubs. São Luís of Maranhão, Port of Itaqui, Maranhense Sheets, Barra Grande, Delta of Parnaíba, Jericoacoara, Port of Pecém, Fortaleza, Broken Canoe, Natal, Kite Beach, Love Beach, Port of Cabedelo, João Pessoa, Recife, Suape Beach, Port of Suape, Port of Galinhas, Maragogi, Maceió, Francês Beach, Aracaju, Coast of Sauípe, Forte Beach, Salvador. It will be 2,200 kilometers connecting 9 stations of grandiose architecture where the passenger gets on and off with all the facilities. The Sun Railroad is the greatest opportunity of the 21st century, which brings development to the metropolitan regions of the capitals on all fronts, including the logistics sector, as it also have a network for transportation cargo, bringing even more importance to the ports of the Northeast region, such as Itaqui, Pecém, Cabedelo, and Suape, thus developing not only the tourism sector, but also the transport of goods and commerce. All of this is supported by the new Export Processing Zones Law. Board, take part. Sun Railroad. It is more than a dream. It is reality. It is the fast track to the future.